picked up both of it.
Where we're driving right now used to be 100 foot off the beach. As you can see, the waves are coming right up to the road now. The sand is being put here by the county. They're moving it off the road because there's at least 2 foot of sand on the roads here. That's the Surfside beach. This is the extent of the damage 2 weeks after Hurricane Ike. You can see the decks are washed out from underneath these beach homes. The water was a good 6 foot deep under there. Just washed it all away. These poles you see off out there are where beach homes were. As you notice up here, there's still a couple left, but they're cockeyed. They were lifted up out of the sand by the force of the water, twisted sideways, and then set back down. They're supposed to be facing the beach, but you can see they're in a diagonal manner. That one's just flat gone. It didn't make it. You see that one's at an angle. That one there remains straight, it looks like. This one here has been picked up and twisted at an angle and then set right back down without even breaking some of the windows. As you can see, the county and individuals are actively trying to get things back in order. Like I said, this is 2 weeks later. Today is October the 1st. Did quite a bit of damage. Some people were worse off than others, including this guy. He just completely lost his home. Pretty bad. Let's hope nobody was in there. There's John. And there's the disaster relief. And there's the county at work over there.